Here we have a hole in the wall caused by a doorknob. The first thing we're going to do is drive a screw into a small block of wood that is slightly larger than the hole that we are trying to fix. The plastic piece is a doorknob protector that you can buy at any hardware store. Then we wrap a piece of string around it. Here we used a piece of dental floss and then stick it into the wall using the string to hold it tight against the back of the wall. Now you can start the screw back into the hole that you previously had started. Tighten it up a little bit, and then you can pull the string back out from behind the wall. The dental floss we used was wax coated, so it made it a little bit easier to get it off the wall. And finish tightening down the screw.